You guys just did a 20-minute or so break. Ripped a bunch of packs. That was pretty crazy. That was fun. Nothing huge, I don't think. But let's break some stuff. Vincey's. Let's do an Invincey. See if we can hit something. We'll do a Bruce Lee next. Back to the non-sports. Not that I like them all, but Omni-Man. Nice. Another Omni-Man. Was it an Omni-Man pack or what? That's pretty sick. Look at that. It is an Omni-Man pack. It is an Omni-Man pack. Look at that dual relic, huh? Invincible and Omni-Man. That is a sick card. That's a sick card. So that's our third Omni-Man, and man, that's a sick card. And then Rex at the end. Not numbered, but that's a sick card. That's pretty wicked. That was cool. That was cool. Let's do this special pack. I'm not sure how many I got left. Blood Splatter limited to 100. 3-card mystery pack from the... Let's do it. Kill Cannon. These blood splatters are sick. Invincible Robot. That's cool. And Adam Eve. Okay. That's cool. What do you want to do next? Let's see. What do you think? How about let's do a Bruce Lee. You know what? What do you think? Let's do it. Let's do it. Huh? 1 of 1. What do you say? That's a special break, huh? Let's do a big 1 of 1. I probably should be selling these things instead of ripping them. But let's do a 1 of 1 Bruce. Go big or go home. Come on, baby. Let's hit something wicked. How many of those do you see around 1 of 1 boxes? I may or may not have just bought a whole bunch of them. I tried to buy some 5x7s, but the person that had a bunch just wanted too much. I can get singles for less than what I was going to buy a bunch from them. So I'm like, okay, well, you lose out. I'll move on. Alright, here we go. 1 of 1 Bruce Lee. Grab the pack out of here. Oh yeah, these don't have pack because they're 1 of 1. There we go. I forgot. These don't even have a pack. They're just a 1 of 1. Alright, here we go. You ready? Look at that. Huh? Look at that. Look at that. Is that sick or what? 1 of 1. Look at that. Man, that's a pretty card. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful card. Almost like a blood splatter. That's a wicked card. Wow. Look at that. What a presentation case, huh? That's sick. That is sick. That is cool. Wow. Very, 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 very cool. Alright. That was crazy. Guess what? Let's end it off with a pack. Probably just gonna be a base pack. I don't feel nothing in here. Pretty much you can tell as soon as I grab it. It's got a relic in it. That's okay. Let's rip it anyways. Oop. That's my 101 there. Still could get it numbered. Go Bruce. Bruce and Chuck. Sunglasses Bruce. And look at that. Look at that kick. Look at that form, huh? That wicked guy. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed that special 1 of 1 break. Come back and like, share, follow. Check out my eBay. And talk to you guys soon.